Hello guys, welcome to Ikhra Technology. So today we are going to solve some task of Python break and continue statements. Okay, so we are going to solve these tasks. If you are having some difficulties in solving these tasks, you can follow my steps. Okay, so let's get started with our first question. Imagine you are searching for a specific fruit in the market, like you want an apple from the list. The list is given. If you get any apple fruit, you can break the fruit list. Okay, first you must create a list of fruit and then use the list in the loop to check if the condition of the fruit you want of list is found. So we have to find the apple in the list and break it down. So let's start doing it. First of all, we will create a list of name fruits equals to, and a list mango, as the list is given in our question, orange, watermelon, watermelon, and apple, as we have to found apple, and the last one grapes. Okay, so here we have done with the making of our list. Now we will do the searching of the desired fruit. So we have to found the desired fruit as apple. So first of all, we will search, or we will make a variable name as search fruit. And which fruit have we have to found? We have to find apple in the list. Okay, so here we have done with the searching. So now we will use a for loop for that, and a variable name as fruit in fruits. So what is fruits? Fruit is our list we have to which we have to found. Okay, now we will use our if statement in that. So if fruit equals to search fruit. So what is a search fruit? Search fruit is apple. So if the search fruit is apple, then break it out. So the search fruit is apple, then break. Okay, so now see, I will print it. Now for printing it, print, we will use a f string. Okay, so found and search fruit. Here, if we save the program and run it, you can see the search fruit is apple. Here, found apple. Okay, so let's move to our second question. Imagine a school or college is organizing a racing event where participants are required to have a required height of 60 inch to qualify for the race. Imagine the height of 6 participants, 60, 62 inch, 58 and more. If the height is less than 60, then the players don't participate in the racing. Okay, first you must create an integer list of for height data and then use the list to create. Okay, so a college is organizing a racing event. So if the participant height is less than 60, then they are not eligible for participating in the race. Okay, so let's start solving the question. First of all, we will make a list of heights. So we will make a variable name as heights equals to, what are the given inches? Given inches are 60, 62, 60, 62, 58, 65, 55, 68. Okay, here are the given inches. Now we'll use a simply a for loop. Now we will simply use a for loop for height in heights. Okay, so what are the heights as given in the inches? Now we use a if statement. If height is less than 60. Okay, so continue. Here we have done with the question. If the height will be less than 60, then they won't able for qualifying in the race. Okay, so now simply we will print it. Print, we'll use our f string and we will take the name. So what is the name we will take as height. Okay, if we save and run the program, here you can see 60, 62, 65, 68. Every participant height is greater than 60. Okay, so and here 58 and 55 is removed from the race. Okay, so let's move to our third question. Menu with exit option. Okay, so we have to create a menu card for our restaurant. Use a while loop to display a menu with options. Use a switch statement to handle different menu selectors. Use a break statement inside the switch case to exit the loop when the user chooses a exit option. Okay, if the user chooses the exit option, we have to make a break statement there, so the loop will end there. Okay, so for this we will use a while loop. So how we will use a while loop? First of all, we will take while, and the while condition, first of all we'll take a condition as true. Okay, true, and we'll display the menu first. So we'll print, first of all we'll print menu. Secondly, we'll print the first option, second option, third option, as we have to break the last option. So we'll print comma option 1 here. Now we will simply copy paste it, as we will don't have to write here first, yeah, second, third option, third option, second, and lastly the exit option. So we'll print 4 comma exit. Okay, so here we have done with displaying the menu. Now we will get the user input. Okay, so we will get the user input. We will take the variable name as choice. Choice equals to input, and we will write the input name as please choose option from, we have declared 1 2 2 4. Okay, so we'll write please choose an option 1 to 4. Here we have done with the displaying our input. Now simply we will use our if else statement. So if choice okay, so if choice equals to 1, then print, then we will have to print you selected option 1. Selected option 1. Okay, so here we have done with. Now we will just simply copy paste it. We will use a elif statement now. Elif choice equals to second, then we will print you selected option 2. Okay, so again elif if choice equals to 3, then we will print you selected option 3. Okay, so you selected option 3. Okay, now if the user input 4, then it should break it down. So if choice equals to 4, then it should print exit the menu. Okay, it should print we will write exit the menu, and it will break the loop. So here we have take our break loop. Now break statement. Now else we will print invalid input. Here we have done with the question. Now if we save, okay, so here if we save and run the program, Here you can see it will ask the input for. So here please choose any option. So first of all we'll write 1. So here displaying you selected option 1. If we enter 2, then it will display you selected option 2. And if we write 3, then it will display you selected option 3. And if we write 4, then you will see what it will display: exit the menu. Okay, so I hope you might have understood these questions. Thanks for watching the video.